Hi guys, so today let's make poundo yam. So all you need to do is to get your poundo yam, and then you get a pot, put water in it and put it on fire. Once the water boils, you would get your poundo yam flour, and you would pour it in the water. So as you're pouring, you're turning. As you're pouring, you're turning. When you're okay with the quantity you want, you can just focus on turning the poundo yam. So you keep turning and turning and turning and turning. You turn the same way you turn amala or eba. Yeah, so you just keep turning it. So you can set small hot water aside that you would be using on it small so that it doesn't burn, and so that it comes out in a good texture in case the water on the pot is not enough. So you can set hot water aside to use in turning the poundo yam. And also, if your stick is too sticky, you can get a cold water aside that you can always dip your stick into it, and then you just turn and keep turning till it is okay. So, and that is it. You take it off fire after that. So you can use any soup to eat this poundo yam, and it is very delicious. So as you can see, making poundo yam is very easy, very super easy, but you need your strength also, because this turning our work. So you need your strength also, but it is super easy. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Thank you. So many people want to eat pounded yam every day, but they can't because they are worried about who is going to pound the yam, who is going to go through all those stress and all of that. So now poundo yam has made stuffs easy for us, that you can just walk up to any supermarket, buy poundo yam any size, take it to your house, and anytime you're hungry, you don't need to pound. All you need to do is to turn it like semo. So what do you think? Will you rather pound your yam, or you would do poundo yam straight away? Will you still want to go through the stress of cooking yam, pounding yam, and all of that, instead of just going through this simple easy way? Let us know in the comment section. Do you miss those days where you pound yam yourself, or you wished this came out earlier? Let us know in the comment section. So this is the poundo yam, and you can see it came out well. There was no lump and all of that. It wasn't super smooth, although it was close to smooth. In fact, it was smooth, but it wasn't super smooth. But there was no lump inside. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day. Bye.